You'll be amazed at how easy it is to get a data plan in hundreds of countries worldwide using Global. Just select your plan, check out the details, and when you're ready, hit the buy button. From here, you can name your eSIM line, pick your card, agree to the terms, and slide to make your purchase. So purchasing a plan just takes 15 seconds. Now time to install it. We made it super easy. Tap the install button to start the process, and then tap the next button to go to your device cellular settings. From here, select Add eSIM, and we'll be prompted to choose either a QR code or to transfer it from another iPhone. Select QR code, and then enter details manually. Now hop back into Global, then tap the SMTP address. Tap the field in Settings and hit Paste. Go back to Global and tap Activation Code and do the same thing again. Tap and paste. Press Next in the top right corner, and when you see this screen, tap Continue. Your plan will activate. If you're already abroad, you can turn on cellular data for it. It's really that simple. Get started with a year of data for $5 a month on Global by US Mobile.